If you're thinking about downloading the Money Network mobile app, there are 12 things you need to know before you make your purchase. While this app offers many great features, it's important to weigh the pros and cons to determine if it's the right choice for you, especially when compared to other finance apps like Chime, Current, or PayPal. First thing to note is that Money Network is tailored toward those looking for a simple, straightforward mobile banking experience. It provides access to a prepaid debit account, direct deposit, and mobile check deposits. It's easy to use, but lacks some of the more advanced features other apps offer. Next thing is the fee structure. Money Network charges for things like ATM withdrawals and card replacements, and while some of these fees are fairly typical for prepaid debit cards, they can add up if you're not careful. In comparison, other competitors like Chime and Current offer fee-free withdrawals at thousands of ATMs. The third thing to keep in mind is the lack of a traditional savings account. Unlike other apps that provide easy access to savings tools and even automatic savings features, Money Network focuses primarily on checking and everyday spending. If you're looking for a robust savings option, you might want to look at apps that offer higher yield savings accounts. The fourth thing is the app's user interface. It's clean and simple, which makes it easy for anyone to navigate. However, if you're someone who loves more customization or detailed analytics, you may find the app a bit too basic compared to competitors like Mint or Personal Capital, which provide extensive financial tracking. The fifth thing is their rewards program. While Money Network does have some cashback rewards, they're not as competitive as those offered by some other apps. For example, apps like Current offer higher cashback percentages on specific purchases, which could make a big difference for people who want to earn more from their spending. The sixth thing is mobile check deposit. Money Network supports this feature, allowing you to deposit checks directly into your account. However, it can sometimes be slow, and the app doesn't always accept all types of checks, which can be a frustration compared to the smoother deposit experiences with apps like Chime. Next thing to note is customer service. Money Network has a dedicated support line, but their response times can be slower compared to other apps with more immediate customer service access. If you value quick, reliable support, you may want to consider competitors like PayPal, which has more extensive support options. The eighth thing is security. Money Network has solid security features, including two-factor authentication, but it doesn't have some of the more advanced protections like fraud monitoring or credit score tracking that other apps, like Chime, provide to users. The ninth thing to consider is the mobile app's compatibility. While Money Network works well on iOS, it's not as robust on Android. If you're looking for a universal experience across devices, other finance apps like PayPal or even Simple might suit you better, as they offer seamless integration across all platforms. Next up is the speed of transactions. Money Network allows for fast direct deposits, but their transfers between users and other bank accounts can be slower than some other competitors. Apps like Venmo or Cash App tend to have quicker transfer speeds, which is important if you need your funds in a hurry. The 11th thing is the app's integration with other financial tools. While Money Network does offer basic budgeting and tracking tools, it lacks deeper integrations with third-party finance platforms like Mint or YNAB, which are favorites for people looking to manage their finances in a more detailed way. Finally, the 12th thing is that Money Network does offer a relatively easy sign-up process and no credit check for getting started. However, if you're looking for a more comprehensive financial tool or a way to build credit, you might want to check out competitors like Chime, which offer credit-building features as part of their services. In conclusion, Money Network is a decent option for people looking for a straightforward, no-frills mobile banking solution. But if you're looking for more advanced features, lower fees, or better rewards, it might not be the best fit. If you're interested in a better option, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.